kabahay, good morning. Another day, another house tour. This property is ready for occupancy. Single attached unit, complete finished turnover with a lot area of 150 square meters and total developed area of 212.93 square meters. Let's get inside. Ito nga pala mga kabahay ang ating pedestrian gate. On this side naman po meron tayong doorbell and then ang ating address is naka-emboss na. So tara, pasok tayo. By the way mga kabahay, this is a pocket garden. Both sides po ng ating pedestrian gate is merong pocket garden. So mga kabahayan, dito tayo ngayon sa ating carport. So as you can see, ito pong ating carport ay meron pang mga excess na gamit dito dahil ongoing construction po ito at finishing touches na lamang po ang kulang dito. So this carport can fit 2 cars. Meron tayong covered na carport. So ito po naman is faucet for your water supply. Meron din tayo ditong storage area wherein you can place your tools. This area naman po is 2 to 3 meters setback. Meron tayong mini pocket garden. This is the area for your washing machine and dryer. Meron na siyang faucet and outlet. And then this one naman po is the door access to our kitchen area. Meron na tayo dito ang sink. And then meron tayo ditong included na free 700 liters Inca water tank. Though hindi nawawala ng tubig dito sa ating area, syempre kailangan meron tayong water tank. So this is the space for your lanai area. Meron na tayong fence and gate na included sa ating turnover. Meron tayo ditong sliding door going to your dining and kitchen. So andito tayo ngayon sa ating main door. So this is the main door. Meron tayong keypad lock dito sa ating pinto. And then as you can see, Japanese inspired po ang ating atake dito sa ating bahay na ito. Meron tayong spotlight and then meron tayong accent dito ng wall cladding. This one is cabinet for your shoe rack. This big mirror is also included in the turnover. So as you can see, ito po ang ating living area. Naka-cove ceiling po tayo with pin lights. And then this one naman po is the dining area. Dito sa dining area, meron tayong sliding door which is the access going to your lanai area. So andito naman tayo mga kabahay sa ating kitchen area. As you can see, meron tayo ditong mini pantry. This is the over and under cabinet. Lahat po yan is included sa ating turnover, ang ating mga pull-outs. Ito naman pong ating kitchen countertop is made from granite. And then dito naman sa area na to is supposed to be your gas range. And then ito din po included sa ating turnover. Kung makikita niyo po, ang ating under cabinet nakatiled na po ang loob niya. So, this one naman po is the access going to your service area. Mga kabahay, dito sa ating ground floor, meron tayong isang bedroom. So, this one is preferred for your guest room or for your extended family. So, ito po is included sa ating turnover, the built-in cabinet. Meron din tayo ditong access sa ating toilet and bath. Complete fixtures po ito. And as of now po, dahil ongoing construction po ito, is medyo madumi pa po ang ating restroom. So tara guys, akit tayo sa ating second floor. By the way, itong railings natin is made from wood and metal. Ito pong ating staircase is made of concrete and wood. Meron tayo ditong sliding window para sa pasok ng natural lighting. High ceiling po ang ating second floor. And then dito naman po sa ating second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms. This is the master's bedroom. Dito naman po ang bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, and shared toilet and bath. So this one naman po is the shared toilet and bath dito sa ating second floor. As you can see, may shower enclosure na siya, toilet seat, shower, and lavatory. Complete fixtures po ang ating turnover dito sa restroom. So this is the bedroom number 1. As you can see, kasya po dito ang single size bed. Meron tayo ditong provision for window type aircon. May built-in cabinet na po na inclusion and then kasama rin po ang ating vanity area. Ito naman po ang ating bedroom number 2. Ito po ay included din po ang ating sliding window. Meron tayong provision for window type aircon, built-in cabinet also, and then the vanity area. Ito nga pala mga kabahay ang ating master's bedroom. So dito sa master's bedroom, makikita nyo po malaki ang space. Kaya mag-accommodate ng single to queen size bed dito sa area na to. May sliding window tayo dito. And then, ito naman po ang ating sliding door going to the balcony. Meron din tayo ditong vanity area and mas malaki po ang built-in cabinet nito since this is a master's bedroom. And also, dito sa master's bedroom, meron tayong own toilet and bath. So makikita nyo po, complete fixtures po ang ating toilet and bath sa master's bedroom. Included pati po ang ating bathtub. So ito naman po ang ating sliding door, access to our balcony. As you can see po, ang ating railings ay wala pa pong glass. Dahil ito po ay ongoing construction, maluwag po ang ating balcony. So pwede po kayo mag-set up dito ng mini table. Bahay, nagustuhan mo ba ang property natin na ito? Please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Von Charlie Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching.